All right, guys, March 21st, we just left Villa Rica. Client was very happy with those floors. They came out great. So we just got to Keith, and Keith just, I came out and did a consultation on his floors, and he just told me, he said, Courtney, I've been following you for years, man. So he watches all my videos. So me and Tavares just stopped and got some lunch. So what we're about to do here, guys, is the foyer and the countertops, and let me show you what we got going today. All right, so this is the residence of Mr. Keith. Tavares is about to get the portable off, just like we just came and did a Villa Rica. So all we're doing, guys, is this foyer area right here. And if you look really close, man, I'm gonna come this way. And they just put the wax in this area. And you can see how it's kind of coming off right there. But when you walk in, and look at that, guys. See all those scuff marks? So like Keith was telling me, when you first do it, it does look good. But just like so many other clients, once they let it sit and then you start getting traffic and dogs, kids, things rolling around, it starts to build up stuff like this, okay? And so we're gonna correct this today. And then we're also going to do these granite countertops. So here, oh yeah, these are gonna look really good. Here, and here. All right, guys, I also had another consultation I actually did 2 weeks ago. It's a screen and recoat with UV cure and also countertops. They just booked their appointments for the first week of April. All right, guys, me and Tavares will go ahead and knock this out. Cause you know what? You actually referred me to one of your buddies.
Somebody, yeah.
Yep, and he got so much wax in his floors.
Yeah,
but I never
right.
heard. Yeah.
You went to Junior's
See,
house.
there you go, out in Douglasville.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, what's his name? God dog it. Yeah, I know.
You know what I'm talking about, though.
Yeah, I know who you're talking about.
Well, man, I appreciate it, man. So it's been fun. Your floor still looking good after 4 years.
Man, it still look great.
Thank you, man. I remember you.
I tell you, it's like if I you know, I always refer you because
thank you.
That's a product that's just excellent, man, especially on those little engineered floors.
That's what we do, engineered floors. And this guy right here, he told, I didn't even know. I came out and did the estimate, and he just told me, he said, "Yo, Courtney, I watch all your stuff."
Oh yeah.
So yeah, man.
I'm like, oh,
yeah, that's Truman. That's me.
oh, he in the neighborhood.
I'm in the neighborhood.
All right.
Tell your wife I said, "Hey, man." Thank you, Keith. All right, guys, that is going to do it. I was just sitting here talking to my client, Keith. Like, again, he's one of my followers, so he said he watches all my videos. So we came here today, removed the wax from his engineered floors, just like the job we just did in Villa Rica. And then we'll also buff it out. As you can see, again, with the engineered floors, it restores the factory shine. The only time I would screen or recoat an engineered floor if they want to take the sheen down. But this, again, just like the last job we came from, most of these engineered floors, they usually put a high shine on them. And also, too, one of my clients that we worked for 4 years ago, he actually saw the van. That's the importance of branding and making sure your information is on your trucks. He literally stopped by and saw my van and said, Courtney, 4 years and the floors are still looking amazing, because they had the same issue too, wax on the floor. So we just took the wax off, buffed it out. This was 4 years ago, Mr. Darius. And as long as you don't put wax back on the floors, you won't have this issue. I also had a lady call me from Texas about 30 minutes ago, same issue. So anyway, guys, we also did the countertops. All right, countertops look nice, buffed, cleaned them, buffed them, and then put a sealer down. All right. All right, guys. Well, that's going to do it. Again, we usually don't work on Sundays, so we'll be off tomorrow. I have 4 in-home consultations on Monday. So far, we have a job Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week. So I have a few openings, and yeah. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.